So let's see today's lovely black chana and tendli melgor. Now what I've done is first I've taken about a cup of black chana, washed it well under water thrice, and I'm going to soak it in 3 cups of water for about 4 to 5 hours. Now after 4 to 5 hours, you'll see that it has swollen up a bit or swelled up a bit. Now I'm just going to put it in my pressure pan and I'm going to cook it in 2 cups of water for 1 whistle on high, and then I'm going to keep it on a simmer for 10 minutes. Now, once it's cooked, let the pressure pan completely cool down before you open it. And then you'll see that the black chana is nicely cooked. You can check it by just pressing it, and it should break like this very easily. If it is not, then put it back in the pressure pan and cook it for another 1 whistle on high. So now let's start making this melgor. So here I've got 1 tablespoon of oil heating up. To that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add about 4 cloves of garlic that I've chopped fine. Now I'm going to fry the garlic well till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Next I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. Now fry the onion also well till it's nice and translucent. Once the onion is done, I've just taken about 8 to 10 tendlis and I've just washed them very well, wiped them dry and cut them lengthwise like this into very thin kind of slivers. If you want to see how to cut the tendli, I've included it in my tendli pickle recipe that I'd uploaded a few days ago. I'll leave a link so you can go and see how to cut them like this. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, and I'm going to mix all of this really well together. See that all the masala and the bagar coats the tendli very well. Now we're just going to cover and cook till the tendli is nicely cooked. So after about a minute or two, just check on the tendli by pressing it down with your spatula or spoon, and if it breaks easily, that means it's cooked. If it is not, then continue cooking it for another 1 or 2 minutes more. You can see that it's not cooked, so I will continue cooking it. And now another 2 minutes I kept it for cooking, and now if you see, if I press it down with my spatula, it breaks very easily like this. So now our tendli is cooked. So only once the tendli or the tondli, whatever you pronounce it as, once that is cooked, only then we're going to add our cooked black chana. Now mix everything nicely well together. And now I'm going to be adding a 1 heaped tablespoon of Samarachi curry powder. I will leave a link of how I prepared this Samarachi curry powder. I just uploaded it a few days ago, but I will leave a link in the description box as well as the comment section, so you all can go and check that out. Also, I'll leave a link to all my Goan recipes, Goan desserts, Christmas sweets, Easter eggs, all of them in my description, as well as my comments section down. You can go and check it out. Now I'm just going to add some salt, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery too. So mix everything really nicely together. Now you can see that there is some water which came along with the chana when we boiled it. Now we want that water to dry up because this is a very dry kind of dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it and cook it for about a minute or 3 minutes till all the water dries up. That's very important. It should be dry like this. And now we just have to add 2 more ingredients. One is just about 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, that is tamarind soaked in water and the pulp just squeezed out. And I'm going to mix all of this well, and then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut. Mix all of this really well together. And now just turn off the heat and your melgor is all ready. I hope you like this recipe, and do give it a try, and if you like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.